Good morning, students. Today I will discuss about the next topic of chapter 6. The chapter name is combustion and flame, and today I will discuss about the type of combustion. In previous video you have read about definition of combustion, and you know that combustion is a chemical process in which the substance burn in presence of air, it means oxygen, and produce heat and light. And what are the essential conditions for combustion or condition necessary for combustion? So you know that presence of combustible substance, the first condition. Second is presence of air, it means oxygen. And third is attainment of ignition temperature by the combustible substance. It means ignition temperature. I have discussed in last lecture that the lowest temperature at which any combustible substance catches fire is called ignition temperature. So these are the three basic conditions for combustion or essential condition for combustion. Now I will discuss about the next topic of this chapter, that is types of combustion. Depending upon the condition under which the combustion takes place, combustion is basically three types. The first type of combustion is rapid combustion. The second type of combustion is spontaneous combustion, and the third type of combustion is explosion. So I will discuss all types of combustion one by one. So first I will discuss about the rapid combustion. So it is the first type of combustion, that is rapid combustion. In rapid combustion, what will be the definition of rapid combustion? When a combustible substance burn at a rapid rate. When a combustible substance burn at a rapid rate, producing a very large amount of heat and light in short period of time, it is called rapid combustion. For example, burning of LPG. LPG stands for liquid petroleum gas. It is the best example of rapid combustion, that is burning of LPG, and burning of wax of candle. Burning of wax of candle is also a best example of rapid combustion. So it is all about the rapid combustion. The second type of combustion is spontaneous combustion. The definition of spontaneous combustion is where a combustible substance burns on its own. इट मीन्स जब कोई कंबस्टेबल सब्सटेंस और व्हेन अ कंबस्टेबल सब्सटेंस बर्न इटसेल्फ विदाउट द हेल्प ऑफ एनी एक्सटर्नल हीट, मतलब उसको किसी भी एक्सटर्नल हीट की नीड नहीं होती है, देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ एक्सटर्नल हीट, then it is called spontaneous combustion. Means the combustion in which the combustible substance start burning itself without the help of any external heat is called spontaneous combustion. The example of spontaneous combustion is burning of white phosphorus, or in short it is also called white P. P is a symbol of phosphorus. Other example of spontaneous combustion is fire in coal mine, and the third example of spontaneous combustion is forest fire. So it is all about the second types of combustion, that is spontaneous combustion. Now I will discuss about the third and last type of combustion, that is explosion. Combustion reaction that occurs suddenly with evolution of large amount of gases, heat, light and sound is known as explosion. So from this flow, that is gases, heat, light and sound, you know the best example of this types of combustion is crackers. पटाखे जो होते हैं एक्सप्लोजन कंबशन के टाइप्स को शो करते हैं। जैसे जैसे ही उनको हम बर्न करेंगे तो कंबशन रिएक्शन विल स्टार्ट सडनली विथ इवोल्यूशन ऑफ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ गैस। जब भी हम पटाखे को जलाते हैं तो लार्ज और एक्सेस अमाउंट ऑफ हीट विल रिलीज एंड गैस इज आल्सो रिलीज लाइट विथ साउंड। So these types of combustion is shown by the crackers, atom bombs. So this is a type of last type of combustion, that is explosion. The best example of these types of combustion, that is explosion, that is crackers or burning of cracker. The next topic is inflammable substances. So inflammable substances means those substances which catches fire easily. So the definition of inflammable substance is the substances which have very low ignition temperature. Ignition temperature means the lowest temperature at which any combustible substance catch fire and start burning is called ignition temperature. So substances which have very low ignition temperature and can easily catch fire with a flame are called inflammable substance. एग्जाम्पल होंगे इसके लिक्विड पेट्रोलियम गैस, जो आपके घर में गैस सिलेंडर है दैट इज फिल्ड विथ लिक्विड पेट्रोलियम गैस, केरोसिन ऑयल हो जाएगा, अल्कोहल हो जाएगा, पेट्रोल हो जाएंगे, डीजल हो जाएंगे। तो दीज आर जी inflammable substance. Inflammable substance means the substances which catches fire easily at very low ignition temperature. So it is all about the inflammable substance. Thank you.